Now that you know how to measure an angle, we're going to learn how to draw an angle. In order to draw an angle, you need three tools: a pencil, a protractor, and a straight edge. You also need to know what the size of the angle will be. In this case, we're going to draw a 55-degree angle. You need to think about what that angle will look like. It is smaller than a 90-degree angle, and that gives me a pretty good idea of the fact that it will be an acute angle. The first thing you need to do is draw a vertex. Then you line up your straight edge and make a line segment that connects to that vertex. Then you can move your straight edge away, and now you put your protractor right on your vertex so that it's lined up with the baseline and it's pointing to 0. 0 is on the outside numbers of this protractor, so I'll use those to count up to 55. On my protractor at 55, I'm going to draw a little dot. Then I'll move my protractor away, and I will line up my straight edge with that dot and connect it right to my vertex. Now I'll draw a line from my dot to the vertex, move my straight edge away, draw my directional arrow, and I've made a 55-degree angle. Let's try the same process with an obtuse angle. In this case, we're going to make an angle that is 142 degrees. First, I'm going to straighten out my straight edge here and move it down. Again, the first thing we do is we start with a vertex. From the vertex, we line up our straight edge, and this time I'll make the line segment go from the vertex out to the right, and we'll use the other side of our protractor. Move that out of the way, line up the protractor so the vertex is on that cross, and now we need to move the protractor so that our baseline lines up with 0 right on it. Just like that. Now with our pencil, we're going to find 142. Now on the right side, I want to use the inside numbers because I want to start out at 0. So over here I find 140, and I go up just 2 degrees from there and make a dot at 142. Now I move my protractor out of the way, get my ruler, line it up with the dot and the vertex, and I draw another straight line, and I have a 142-degree angle. The last thing I want to do is draw my directional arrow to show which angle I've measured to be 142 degrees. Now it's your turn to try some.